זמן עבר, past tense. And now let's take those verbs that we are covering right now when the first root letter is guttural and see how do we conjugate them in the past tense. So I'm giving you a small spoiler that I already said. It won't be really different from regular pa'al verbs like lilmod, livdok, lilbosh, lichtov. The conjugation pattern in the past tense will be the same. The only thing that changed is the infinitive. So far we're talking about the present and the past tense, so far so good, nothing really too complicated. So first of all, let's find the reference point. And we know that we are finding the reference point by looking what he did. So the conjugation for third person singular masculine. Let's start with the verb la'avod, the verb to work. So the verb la'avod contains the root letters ain, bet, daled, and the binyan is pa'al. And in order to find out what he did yesterday, so we need to place the root letters ain, bet, daled into the name of the binyan, just like we did with regular pa'al verbs. And we will find the reference point in the form of the conjugation for third person singular masculine, the pronoun hu. And it will be hu avad. And it is the reference point. This is what we start with when we are conjugating verbs in the past tense. La'azor, to help. La'azor contains the root letters ayin, zayin, resh. Let's place the root letters into the name of the binyan, which is pa'al, and find the reference point, hu azar. And it is the reference point. This is what we start with. Hu azar. He helped. Le'echol, to eat. Le'echol contains the root letters aleph, chaf, lamed, and it belongs to binyan pa'al. So we will apply the root letters aleph, chaf, lamed into the name of the binyan and find out what he did. So it will be hu achal. Lachzor, to come back. The verb lachzor contains the root letters chet, zayin, resh, and the binyan is pa'al. Let's apply the root letters into the name of the binyan, and we'll find out what he did. Hu chazar, he came back. And this is the reference point. Excellent, so far we found the reference point. Let's talk about first and second person pronouns conjugation. Let's start with the verb la'avod, the verb to work. Hu avad, he worked, and this is the reference point. And let's start revealing the conjugation pattern for first and second person personal pronouns. Ani always will end with ti, ata always ends with ta, at ends with tu, anachnu ends with nu, atem ends with tem, aten ends with ten. Hu avad, it is the reference point, and we're taking avad and placing it into the conjugation pattern. So it will be ani avadeti. So it's a little bit difficult to pronounce it as avadti because we have the dalet and the tav there. The D and the T sound are a little bit difficult and straining a little bit our tongue. So we'll add a buffer vowel e. So it will be avadeti. Ata, avadeta, at, avadet, anachnu, avadnu, atem, avadetem, aten, avadeten. La'azor, to help. Hu azar, it is the reference point. Ani ends with ti, ata ends with ta, at ends with tu, anachnu ends with nu, atem ends with tem, aten ends with ten. So let's take azar, place it into the conjugation pattern, and it will be ani azarti, ata azarta, at azart, anachnu azarnu, atem azartem, aten azarten. Le'echol, to eat. Hu achal, it's the reference. Ani ends with ti, ata ends with ta, at ends with tu, anachnu ends with nu, atem ends with tem, aten ends with ten. So hu achal, ani achalti, ata achalta, at achalt, anachnu achalnu, atem achaltem, aten achalten. The verb lachzor, to come back. Hu chazar, it is the reference point. Ani ends with ti, ata ends with ta, at ends with tu, anachnu ends with nu, atem ends with tem, aten ends with ten. Hu chazar, ani חזרתי, אתה חזרת, את חזרת, אנחנו חזרנו, אתם חזרתם, אתן חזרתן. Excellent. So we found out how do we find the conjugation for first and second person, and now let's talk about third person pronouns conjugation. Let's start with the verb לעבוד, the verb to work. הוא עבד, he worked. This is the reference point. This is what we found, and it follows the sound of the binyan, which is פעל. He has a suffix in the form of the letter hey, and the vowel signs, not the letters, the vowel signs switch places. So הוא עבד, he עבדה. Hem ends with u, and we are pronouncing this conjugation in 2 syllables. עבדו. Hen will be the same like hem, עבדו. הוא עבד, היא עבדה, הם הן עבדו. לעזור, to help. הוא עזר is the reference point, he helped. He has a conjugation suffix in the form of the letter hey, and the vowel signs switch places. הוא עזר, היא עזרה. הם in 2 syllables ends with u, עזרו, and same like הם, עזרו. הוא עזר, היא עזרה, הם הן עזרו. לאכול, to eat. הוא אכל is the reference, we already found it. He ate. He has a conjugation suffix in the form of the letter hey, and we're switching the vowel signs places. הוא אכל, היא אכלה. הם in 2 syllables, אכלו, הן, same like הם, אכלו. הוא אכל, היא אכלה, הם הן אכלו. לחזור, to come back. הוא חזר is the reference point. He has a conjugation suffix in the form of the letter hey. Vowels switch places. הוא חזר, היא חזרה. הם in 2 syllables, חזרו, הן חזרו. הוא חזר, היא חזרה, הם הן חזרו. Excellent. Now let's conjugate those verbs by pronouns just to make sure that we are able to conjugate all of those verbs correctly in the past tense by pronouns. הוא עבד, אני עבדתי, אתה עבדת, את עבדת, הוא עבד, היא עבדה, אנחנו עבדנו, אתם עבדתם, אתן עבדתן, הם עבדו, הן עבדו. The verb לעזור, הוא עזר, אני עזרתי, אתה עזרת, את עזרת, הוא עזר, היא עזרה, אנחנו עזרנו, אתם עזרתם, אתן עזרתן, הם עזרו, הן עזרו. לאכול, to eat. הוא אכל, אני אכלתי, אתה אכלת, את אכלת, הוא אכל, היא אכלה, אנחנו אכלנו, אתם אכלתם, אתן אכלתן, הם אכלו, הן אכלו. The verb לחזור, to come back, הוא חזר, אני חזרתי, אתה חזרת, את חזרת, הוא חזר, היא חזרה, אנחנו חזרנו, אתם חזרתם, אתן חזרתן, הם חזרו, הן חזרו. Excellent work, guys. So we're finished with this category of verbs. That's it for this lecture. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.